This is just a quick little impromptu bonus video. We're back. Very quick impromptu video because our proof copy of our physical copy of the cookbook came, and we're gonna open it for you all to see. The ebook version of this will come out on Wednesday this week. You can still get it for 20% off at the discount code until Wednesday. Now, if you want to get a physical copy, I'm going to put that link in the description down below for you to fill out a form to get on the list for that. But we need all the payments from that by the end of this week. Otherwise, we can't order them. We're just ordering the amount that people basically pre-order because we just don't want to have all that excess in our house. So let's see what the book looks like. Oh, Willie's here too. Willie's working. I leave Willie alone.
I want to see the book.
Okay, our book came.
Yay, our book came.
I'm a little nervous.
Why are you nervous?
What if I'm worried the print quality is not going to be good.
But you only ordered one.
I know. So this is a test.
Terrible.
Then I got to find another company and get more. It's just complicated. This has got. I'm really.
Tension. I could cut it with a knife. How is it going to look? Dun dun dun. Let's see.
Ooh.
Oh, it's terrible. It's cute.
It's wrapped in plastic.
Oh, great.
Oh, that's going to be annoying because we're autographing these for everyone.
Maybe you can ask them not to shrink wrap it.
I'm going to ask them not to shrink crack it because that's just a waste of. We don't like that. We're going to work on that because we are.
I mean, it might protect it more in shipping, but.
But then we're going to be shipping them anyway.
Do you want our signatures or not?
Well, that's just it. We have to unlock them.
Maybe they don't.
Maybe you don't.
Maybe you don't want signatures.
I can't get in. Ooh.
Feels nice.
I mean,
I'm all about texture.
The print quality is really, really nice.
What's the cover though? What are the pages?
This is the cover,
same feel?
Well, this is more of a cardstock, right? Ooh. It's a good texture. Oh, wow. Look
Look
good.
at you.
We made this book. Oh, wow. I just want to see how the recipes look. Yeah, like this it's really a nice, clean quality. So this is how the recipe, that's not a recipe. How does a recipe look? Oh, I'm so happy with this.
Are there any recipes in this book?
I don't think so. I think we forgot to put the recipes in.
Oops. Sorry,
Oh, this is good. Okay, so this all worked out. So it looks good. I was worried about the margins and stuff because they're sometimes cut off.
It worked.
And the picture quality is good, right?
This is a great little book.
I'm so happy with this book. I got to go through it and do one last thorough check and make sure.
We want to make sure the index is right.
Oh my God, there's stains. Someone stained the book already. This is a used book.
We need to go through the index and make sure things are actually on the page that it says.
I confirmed that before I printed it.
Are you able to still fix stuff?
Yeah, this is why I ordered it, so I could see. Okay, this is good. This is why we're doing it. We're doing this extra step to go through it and just look at every page and be like, oh, do we need to tweak anything? But the print quality is really great. Like, it looks like a cookbook. This looks like a cookbook.
It is a cookbook.
Anyway.
Take a picture for Dale and Fern.
Very excited.
Hold it up.
Most of this is looking great. Wow.
Hold it up.
Let's go back. Anyway, thanks, everyone. We're going to get this to you as soon as possible. We're just going to we'll go through it real quick. Make sure there's no other little errors like that. Quick. And then we're going to get this out to all of you very, very soon.
I want some Alfredo. Are we having that this week?
We're going to have that this week.
Yes.
Ephraim came home. Let's get Ephraim's thoughts now. Ephraim, come look. What do you think?
To our PB with J community, thanks for asking for this book and supporting us. Wait, let's see the formatting. Ooh. It's looking good. It's not what a lot of cookbooks look like.
What's that?
They all look, other ones just look the same. This one looks different.
Yeah?
Yep.
Well, I also just like all the extra info in there. Like you can...
Oh, you have like a whole flavors of the world section?
Yeah, flavors of the world, so people can make their own meals using different flavors of different places in the world.
Whoa, how long does this go for?
Yeah, there's like 30 pages of information before you get to the recipes.
Oh, these ones are good.
Yeah? Ephraim approves. Anyway, if you want a hard copy like this, you can still get one, but only for the next couple days are we taking orders for that. Otherwise, you can get the ebook at a discount for the next couple days. After that, it's the full price. All those links in the description down below. Thanks for watching this video. And if you're still sticking around, check out this video right here. Or subscribe. Do all the things.
These are Annie's faves.
Ephraim's really enjoying the book.